Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable reader mode in Google Chrome. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Google Chrome, and up in the address bar, go ahead and type in Chrome colon // flags, exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter on your keyboard. In the search flags field, you want to type in reading mode. Best match, should go back to reading mode. Go ahead and click on the drop down over here on the right side, and you want to select enable. So enables a reading mode feature, which generates a reader-friendly view of web pages. Open the side panel and select reading mode to try the feature, and then you will select relaunch. And then if you want to enable reading mode for any particular web page here, let's just say YouTube's Wikipedia page, and you select the read icon up at the top right corner, and you can select the drop-down arrow and select reading mode. And then you should be able to go ahead and actually be directed over here for hopefully an easier reading view. And you can select different fonts if you want to change them over here on the left panel here. Make font bigger or smaller. And you can also change the letter spacing as well as the color, as well as the spacing between the different sentences over here as well. Make this wider like that. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.